Diddy's lawyers question Cassie Ventura in sex trafficking trial. After about 45 minutes of debate between lawyers over evidence issues, Cassie Ventura is back on the stand wearing a black blazer and white shirt, and her hair is in a ponytail. As Sean Diddy Combs' lawyer Anna Estaveo is questioning her. So far, her line of questioning is what we expected. Estevaeo asks Ventura about the more loving sides of their relationship. "You were in love with him for 11 years, right?" she asks. Ventura pushes back where she can, disputing the framing that she kept coming back to Combs over and over. We are also seeing hints of the defense's argument that infidelity and jealousy fueled their fights. Estevaeo reads back Ventura's testimony from yesterday in which she said she was insanely jealous in their relationship. The defense is moving quickly with their yes or no questions, so we could get through a lot this morning, though prosecutors are lodging many objections. While we wait for the first details of Cassie's testimony today, let's look at the charges Sean Diddy Combs faces in this federal criminal case being heard in New York. Combs is charged with racketeering conspiracy, 2 charges of sex trafficking, and 2 charges of transportation to engage in prostitution. Many of the most severe allegations relate to the racketeering conspiracy charge. This includes accusations of kidnapping, drugging, and coercing women into sexual activities, sometimes using firearms or threats of violence. Combs has denied all charges against him. Both legal teams started the morning with a lengthy debate about evidence. But we're moving on now, with the jury and Cassie Ventura arriving in the courtroom. Ventura will face questions from the defense, after spending the past 2 days on the witness stand answering questions from the prosecution. Judge Arun Subramanian is in the courtroom and is listening to the legal teams as they work through some issues regarding evidence that could be brought up today. We're expecting Cassie Ventura to be on the witness stand shortly, caught up with Diddy's spokeswoman, Holly Baird, before heading inside the courthouse for the defense's cross-examination of Cassie. She says the defense plans to spend at least 2 days on cross and will look to fill in some gaps and questions they feel jurors and others might have. She says they'll question Cassie on why she stayed with him and if there was love in the relationship. They'll also try to put the text messages between the two of them in context, she says, in order to show his point of view and what he says was going on in real time. Remember, the defense has admitted that there was domestic violence, but Diddy denies the racketeering and sex trafficking charges against him. Baird also shared that the trial and the entire situation has been difficult for the Combs family, asking if Diddy's kids' confidence in him has been shaken at all by Cassie's distressing testimony. She insisted that they are still sticking together and want to protect their dad. It was an emotionally grueling testimony for Combs' ex Cassandra Ventura during her second day on the stand yesterday. Prosecutor Emily Johnson questioned Ventura about several instances of Combs' alleged assaults. A time he attacked her in front of her friends, and a time he lunged at her with a wine bottle opener. We heard about a time in 2018 where Ventura alleges Combs raped her in her home after they had broken up. Ventura also told the court Combs forced her to stay at a hotel for a week after he had beaten her, to hide her injuries. The prosecutor's argument is that Ventura did not have free will to leave Combs, and it's a line of questioning that we will likely see the defense team try to take down today. Inquiring whether Diddy's children have had their faith in him affected by Cassie's troubling testimony. She emphasized that they remain united and are determined to protect their father. Cassie Ventura, Combs' ex, faced an emotionally challenging day on the witness stand yesterday during her second day of testimony.